Assalamu alaikum Uswa. How are you? Walaikum assalam. I'm just fine. Why are you looking so upset? I'm busy thinking. Actually, I am stuck. I need to complete and submit my gratitude journal to my teacher at school. And I really don't know what should I write now. Show me what have you written. Oh, Uswa, is it just 8? Here, let me help you. First, let's look around and count our blessings. Oh yes, the sun. It gives us heat and light. Oh yes, I get it now. These plants and trees. That is giving us shade and oxygen. The cool breeze. Wow, isn't it beautiful? No doubt. Alhamdulillah, I'm going to write all of this. Another thing that you can add is fruits and vegetables. You know, I have brought some salad for both of us. See, it has different fruits and vegetables. All of these come from plants. That's looking yummy. Jazakallah Ifra. There are so many delicious fruits, vegetables and even dry fruit in this salad. Yes, you know, each one is different in color, flavor and smell. Yet each one is amazingly tasty, healthy and full of vitamins. You know, even a dead tree can give us wood that can be used for furniture or paper too. Oh, yes, and without paper, there would be no books or journals. If just a tree can give us so many things to be grateful, then if I observe every blessing, my journal is to become finished. And still there will be more to write. Jazakallah for everything, Ikra. My pleasure, always there to help you.